Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the Truxedo TruXport soft roll-up tonneau cover fitting your 19 and newer Chevy Silverado 1500 short box. This tonneau cover is perfect for those of you looking for the fastest and most budget-friendly way to cover your bed. Now, the downside to this cover is the same downside for all soft covers, and that is it's not going to be as resistant to theft as a hard cover would be. But if you're looking for a fast and easy way to cover your bed and protect it from the elements, this is an excellent choice. Now, one great feature of this soft roll-up cover is that when it's rolled up all the way against the bulkhead of your truck, it's going to have one of the smallest footprints of any tonneau cover. So if you frequently haul oversized cargo, this may be the choice for you. This tonneau cover features a Velcro design with a preset tension control system as well as a dual latch fastening system, allowing this cover to open and close with ease. This tonneau cover is constructed from a powder-coated black aluminum frame and features this leather grain design vinyl cover. So as far as price goes, this one comes in at around $325, making it one of the most budget-friendly options on the market. I'm giving this install a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It does feature a direct bolt-up installation and can be done within 30 minutes. So with that said, let's jump right into our install. For this install, you will need a ratchet and a 13mm socket. All right, so the first step in our install is to grab a piece of adhesive foam similar to what's already on your rail and adhere it to the very top of the rail. Now you can place the rail on your passenger side, and the side that we placed the adhesive on is up towards the bulkhead. Now, depending on what kind of liner you have or no liner at all, they have included some adhesive for the bulkhead. You can use that to get a better seal on your cover if you need it. Line up the rail. Now you can repeat that process on the other side. At this point, we can get the cover set up on the bulkhead of our truck. Rest your cover on each side of the bed for now, and then flip it out so this piece with the weather stripping is on the bulkhead. Now, as you can see, there is some on there already, but as I said before, if you need additional, they have included it. At this point, line up the rail with the end of your cover. Take the plastic piece and insert it into the cover. Repeat that process on the other side. At this point, we can attach the rails to the actual bed itself using these provided clips. You want to make sure the rails are lined up and that the cover is lined up with the back of your bed before you clamp these down. With your clamp opened all the way up, slide it underneath the bed and as far forward on the bed rail as you can get. Make sure the teeth up here are lined up right on the rail there. Grab a 13mm socket and let's tighten this down. Moving on to the second clamp, you want to pick the section right about midway down the bed, middle of the way between the first clamp and the last clamp. Make sure it's lined up similar to the front one. Grab your 13mm socket and tighten this down. Now line up your rear clamp. Try to go as far back as you can while still having it lined up in the rail. Grab your 13mm socket and tighten it down. Make sure your rail is lined up and repeat that process on the other side. Now you can unroll your cover With your cover rolled all the way out, grab the other 2 pieces of weather stripping and place them on each corner. Now you can drop the tailgate. Make sure the cover is stretched all the way out and that it's sitting in each of these sections right here. Then firmly push down to shut the cover. With the cover in place, you can now adjust each side so they're even and grab the corners to get them Velcroed down. All right, so that's gonna do it for the review and install of our Truxedo TruXport soft roll-up tonneau cover. Remember, for all things Silverado, keep it at AmericanTrucks.com.